Hello, good day everyone. I am Pauline E. Manaloto of 4HG2 and I will be showing my final project for SAM. So, starting off, we will be opening our command prompt and inputting IP config to check both the IP address of the client and the server, as we can see here. Once that is done, we will try to ping the client to server and server to client. After successfully conducting a ping from client to server and server to client, I would like to also show that within the server windows, we will be able to see the file screens after navigating through the file server resource management. In the next part of the video, we will conduct the remote desktop management. We will begin with attempting to control the server via the client. After the client has successfully accessed the server, it's now turn of the server to access the client via remote desktop control. for the final part of the video, we will be doing a backup and restore. So we will be navigating to the local disk D and delete the to backup folder. After that, we will be navigating to and type backup and settings. In there, we will be clicking the go to the backup and restore, where next is we will click the restore my files and input the administrator and the password. Clicking yes, we will be going to the browse to folders, then click backup until we see the to backup folder and click next until we see the folder back in its place.